In this video, I'm going to go over all applications that I created with Caffeine AI. Let's start with Plancy. Plancy lets organizers make activities. So let's say that I like to hike and I can make such activity. We'll go to Slug Paradise because I live pretty nearby and I know all the locations. And yeah, during this session, we'll go and check out also a cave, maybe go for the lunch afterwards. And so this will be this event, okay? And you can just add it to this application and people may join. Now, here it is. You can set it up and it'll be shown on this globe. And also here is event feed. So you can just filter this as you want. Absolutely amazing. For example, there is this one, Open Wimbledon League 2026. If you like to play tennis, probably you will not travel to Slovakia, but the idea is this, okay? So people will notice that there is something around, okay, nearby, and so they can like join it, you know, and yeah, you can also make money if you are an organizer, of course. So yeah, this is Plancy. Let's move on to Keeper. And Keeper is just a text storage application. Okay. I got this idea because I needed this. Okay. I needed to copy my crypto private key. And I didn't know how to do it because I needed to get it from my desktop to my phone. Now I cannot use a USB for that, of course, because phones do not support U USB ports. Uh, so I was like, how do I do that? Because Google Notes, you cannot trust that or any other way. So how do I do that now? Do I copy it to my like you cannot even copy it to your personal messenger or something like that because you cannot message to yourself. So you can like how do it is just complicated. So that's why I created this one. You just simply can add it here, and once it's done, I can just open my phone and I can just copy this private key. Afterwards, I can delete this entry. Simple as that. Another application is RJZ Matchmaker, and this is probably the most advanced one that I created with Caffeine AI. This is simply to queue for a game, and then there's a Mavito phase, then players report who won, who lost, and everything is going to be calculated. There is a proper elo ranking system, there's a leaderboard, there's a profile support, history. So I'm not going to go into much detail here. Um, because I would need to play it right now to showcase this, okay? But it is absolutely amazing, okay? This works really well, and this application could be cloned and used for any other game, literally, which doesn't support in-game matchmaking. Now we'll get to my personal websites. So this is Super Workout. I'm a fitness trainer, and I was like, okay, I can maybe use Caffeine AI to make a website for me. And this website is absolutely amazing. It has all the features. It looks really great, as you can see. It is absolutely amazing. And you can book a session. So let's go over it. I will show you how this works. Okay. So a client might choose from the list. So he's like, okay, I can maybe choose. I want to train my core, and I will choose like which gym. Okay. So let's say that this one. Okay. And he may choose when. So let's say this. Okay, this is a disclosure to protect me. And now the payment, it will be probably just cash, and that's it. Now if I go to admin, if I go to bookings, I can see it here. Okay, I can see it here, as you can see. So that's amazing. And so yeah, I mean, this is absolutely amazing. Like imagine if I were to give it to private company to make such applications, how much money I would pay? Thousands, you know. So here I can add a new gym, I can add a new program. Also, images are supported, by the way, but I need to add it. Um, yeah, absolutely amazing website. And the last website is 50 Cent Host. So yeah, I started providing services for internet computer. If you need the hosting, if you need to deploy your application, static website basically, you can deploy only static websites as for now. Or if you need to make an application with Caffeine AI, I'm here for it. You know, if you don't want to do it yourself, message me. I'm pretty experienced now with Caffeine AI. So yeah, as you can see, I can add here a new portfolio entry. Here's a pricing, contact, so simple but very practical website. And I'm going to end it here, guys. Let me know in the comments how do you like my applications. Plan C is the one that I really want to market as much as I can because I see a true potential here. So yeah, let's do it, guys. Start making activities, literally start making activities, like invite your friends to join an activity that you make, it can be literally anything. Let's make this application very popular. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.